Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the Audible website language and region on desktop and mobile. So I'm on Google Chrome, I've typed in Audible, I've logged into my account. Now what you need to do is scroll down to the very bottom. And on the bottom right hand side, the very bottom right button, it says United Kingdom and then English. Click in there. And then now it says choose your country and language. So let's just say that we're German and we want to go to Deutsch, then we can press this button. Click out of here. And now the website has completely changed into German. So from there, guys, now we can actually purchase audiobooks in German. We can go here. This is the sort of categories page. Go to thriller, for example. And then I'm going to find this book right here. This is in German. And as we can see right here, the language is Deutsch, which is the German language in this book. If you purchase this book, it will be in German and not in English. So guys, I've now just switched over to mobile and I'm going to show you how to change the region or language on mobile. And basically, unfortunately, the Audible app does not allow this from within the app. So what you need to do is go to an internet browser. Because I'm on iPhone, I'm going to go to Safari and then log into my Audible account from there. So let's just do that now. We're in Audible, and if you scroll right down to the bottom, we still cannot see the regionality or the language options. So what you need to do is access the desktop version of this site, and we can do that by pressing the bottom section of Safari, and then this button right here, and then the three dots button on the right hand side. Press Request Desktop Website. And now the website looks a lot more broad. It looks just like what we've had access to on the laptop. So I'm going to scroll right down, and then on the very bottom right, we can now see United Kingdom and English. Click in there. And then I'm just going to select German again. So I'm going to scroll down, press Deutsch. And now we have the German version of Audible. And we can actually just sign into our account on the top left. And as you can now see, we've completely logged into the German version of Audible. And I'm going to find a random title. This one right here. And once you're ready to actually purchase this, what you can do is follow the steps, purchase the audiobook, and it will appear in your account on the Audible app as well. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below as well. Thanks very much.